Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Alpha Turbo fan. I already had this for 6 months now, and this is a great portable fan to have with you. I like how it has a good weight to it, feels good in the hand, and it's very portable, and you can take this with you anywhere. This fits easily in the car and even in a bag. So let me show you how it looks. So here's the turbo fan itself, here's the full body, here's the exhaust fan right there, here's your power button. The bottom is your USB-C charger port and your battery level right here. This is the other side. It comes with two nozzles. It comes with a clear nozzle and this nozzle. They both have like a magnetic base to it. So you just snap it on, snaps in place. So it's very easy to change them out. And this is the fan button right here. So let me show you how to turn it on. So you just hold down the button. And once it turns on, it goes automatically to the strongest level right there. If you press it again, it'll go to the second level. And then you press it one more time, it goes to the low level. If you hold it down, then it turns it off. On the bottom here, it shows you your battery level. So all four means that it's fully charged. And then once it's on the first level, all you have to do is just press the button. And then it turns on. And it has a light right here when you switch it to the clear one. When you want to switch it to a stronger setting, you press it again, it goes faster. And then on the third level, you have to hold down the button in order to turn it on. And it goes very fast. So you can see right there. If you want to shut it off, you just hold this down. Battery life on this portable fan is very good. Charging time, it takes about 2 hours to get a full charge. So let me show you how strong that this fan is. I put it on the lowest setting. You just press the button once, and you can see how the water is moving. This is at a good distance. You press it again. Here's the middle range. So it's pushing more water. And let me show you how with the strong setting. So you can see how strong that the water is moving. You can watch how it blows away all these leaves from the car. So you can see how easily this blows all the dirt and leaves from the car. You can even use this to blow off the hairs from the hair. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you could buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, I like how well that this turbo fan is made. It has a good weight to it. Battery life has a very good battery life to it. I like how the nozzles are interchangeable, and they're just placed with a magnet, so it's easy to change them out. And I also like how it has 3 different settings of power to it, very strong. It makes cleaning up dust, water, leaves very easily. And I also like how the size of this